Now I analyze data with a pie chart. The shape of pie chart is circle. It is divided into slices. Each slice shows a value from data source. So first select the data. In Insert tab, Charts group, click Pie Chart button. You have many options here. I select 2D pie chart. Press mouse and adjust the position of pie chart. Click Chart Filters button. You can see pie chart shows only one series data. In default, gross sale is checked. If I check income series or income series values, then pie chart shows income values into slices. So click Apply. You can see pie chart shows income series values. Move your pointer on this slice. You can see this slice shows month of August income. That is $21,513. This slice is sharing 21% area in all pie chart. So, in pie chart, biggest slice shows greater values and smallest slice shows smaller values. Now check percentage income series. Click Apply. I check these 3 months: April, May, June. Click Apply. Move your pointer on this slice. It shows percentage of income 97.77% and month shows July. When a chart sheet is active, Design and Format tools are automatically activated. In Design tab, click this button. Move your pointer on these pie chart styles. Pie chart shows a live preview in a worksheet. In Format tab, you can format the pie chart by using these options. Now, active a pie chart sheet, click Chart Elements button. To display values of percentage income series on pie chart, check the Data Label box. You can see each slice of pie chart shows percentage income series values. You can format these values by clicking this button. I click Outside End. Now it is more clear. This slice shows month of March value. This slice shows month of July values. This slice shows month of August values. And similarly, this slice shows month of September values. In this way, values are highlighted on pie chart slices. So, pie chart is used to display single series or single column values. To display multiple column values or multiple series values, use column chart.